What's up guys? This is Gitbox PH at welcome sa ating vlog. This is officially the first vlog ever. Ano? Wow, medyo maalog pala yung camera, no? Yes, alright. Okay, first official vlog natin. And I just wanted to share, not really, well, share, sure. Ibig ko sabihin, officially, what I wanted to do was sort of vlog about life in general para meron na akong digital diary kagaya ng mga recommendation ng mga vloggers na talaga, no? Yung mga professional vloggers. Yep, so in this, I guess, channel, we're gonna talk about life in general, the life of, well, my life, ano, and family, and perhaps work, travel, food, of church, beliefs, whatnot, no? Ayan, so welcome. I hope you be able to enjoy this, and kasabay ko na pag napanood ko na ito later on, ano, I don't know how I'm gonna edit this per se. Anyway, so welcome to my daughter's room. The wife is having a small party downstairs. So hindi ako, well, dito muna ako magtatago, camping muna ako, nagpakita na ako. Hindi pa naman sila magsisimula sila in about, I don't know, maybe an hour or so. So, isa pa lang yung kanyang bisita. So, syempre, nag-hi, hello na ako. Ano, so, that's fine. But, I really wanted to do this. Ay, kita pala ng konti, ano? Well, anyway. Alright. I really wanted to do this. Well, first and foremost, I really wanted to have this. So, ito is a Superman 1/6 scale. Ano, I've been a fan of Superman since I was a little child. Primarily because of my father. I think si Papa, gusto niya rin itong si Superman na ito. So we've watched every Superman film since. And then I really wanted to have one kasi yung aking misis, ginawan ako ng sort of cabinet, ano, for, well, to display some of my stuff. And I wanted this to be there as well. So, for the first time, perhaps in a long time, hindi ako nanghihingi ng ng mga regalo during this time of the year. Kahit na nung araw pa. Sa wife ko or sa aking anak. Pero this year, sabi ko, teka, baka pwedeng makahingi naman ako maka-request naman ako. So, tatlo yung aking sort of choices na pinresenta sa kanila. Not really present, but shinare ko sa kanila. And sabi ko, sige, kayo mamili dyan kung ano. So, this is one of the three. The other two na aking napili ay Optimus Prime. Ano, and then, what else? What was the other one? Optimus Prime. At Voltron ata yung isa eh. If I'm not mistaken. Teka, ano na nga ba yung isa? Teka, check natin. By the way, I got this from Ano Toys. Well, they got it from Ano Toys. So doon ko siya hinanap. Links. Ayun! Tama! Voltron nga. So, ito yon. So, Voltron, and then Optimus Prime, and then itong Superman. Well, Superman ang kanilang napili, and I was so happy with it. Ang totoo niyan, so ni-wrap nila ito, so bago ko buksan yon, sabi sa akin ng wife ko, sabi niya, oh, anong tingin mong nakuha namin? Tapos in my mind, not in my mind, sabi ko, Superman. And pagbukas ko nung wrapper, well, this is it. So, and join me as I open this today. Today is December 27. Yep. So, this is coming from Hot Toys. Sige, teka, buksan natin. Hot Toys. Check mo to, ha. From Hot Toys. Movie Masterpiece Series. Yan. Ang ganda. Alright, now, ito na. Wow. Yes. Teka, ano na nga bang wait So, itong Superman na to, si Henry Cavill. Hey Siri, how do you pronounce Henry Cavill?
I found this on the web.
How do you pronounce? You've heard it like travel. Cavill is pronounced like travel. Travel. Cavill.
Alright. So, itong Superman na to ay si Henry Cavill. 1/6 yung size niya. So, I'm really, really excited to open it. So, join me in opening it. Okay. So, bubuksan na natin ito. Yep. Dito tayo sa dulo. Buksan natin. Wait, what? Okay, here we go. Ah! So excited. So, unopened siya. Yes! So, MMS 200 Special Celebration Gift Kryptonian Command Key. So, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs of hands. And isang, ano to? May extra pa siya. What's this? I don't know what that is exactly. But, this is it. Bubuksan na natin, guys. Ano ba nakasulat dito? Please read instruction sheet first and follow all construction details. Yes! That's the first thing you should do. Not read it, actually. Oh my goodness! The cape! Ang ganda ng cape! Oh, wow! Nice one. Kailangan may stand. So, dapat may stand ito. Well, usually naman, si Hot Toys meron. So, that's fine. Wow! Dapat yun yung background natin. Teka, ano nakalagay dito? 1:1 scale nitong Kryptonian Command Key. Ano yun? Ano yung Kryptonian Command Key? What in the world? Okay, anyway. Wow. O, sige, teka. Wow! Yes! Wow! Yan ang gusto natin sa Hot Toys. Siyempre, talaga namang kahawig nung character. So, wow, ito bukas palad. Ay, hindi. Okay. Alright, ganito. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3 plus this, 4 pair of hands. This one, okay, extra joints. Para dito. Okay. And then, yung kanyang boots. And look at, teka, ano to? What in the world is this? Okay, anyway. What is this? Oh, yeah. Ito, okay, nakalagay dito sa kanyang noo. Oo, nahulog pa yung plastic. It's okay. Okay, tapos ito yung kanyang stand. Okay, ang ganda. Buksan ko muna yung stand o ilabas ko muna si Superman. Okay, teka. Anong gagawin natin? Sige, try natin. Ilabas muna yung stand. Okay. So, buksan natin yung stand. Siyempre, as usual, maganda yung lalagyan. O, yun. Oh, wow! What a beautiful stand. Yes, dahil may logo siya. Yes! Ang ganda. Si Kal-El. Okay, yung stand. Ito yung, yung grip. Okay, ito yung instructions. Babasahin ba natin? Wag na. Sige, basahin natin. Sakto, mababasa natin to dahil it is in Chinese. I love it. Okay, Superman instruction sheet. Sana mag-focus. Okay. So, ginagamit ko ay isang my older Sony camera. Sabi ko, gusto ko sana ibenta, kanya lang yung interesado nung una, biglang umatras. So, parang sabi ko, okay, I'll keep it first. Let's see kung anong magagawa natin dito. And then, I decided to do this vlogging thing. So, let's see. Okay, so sabi niya, okay, may stand. So, ang ganda ng stand na ito. Meron siyang screw. Actually, gusto ko yung mga stand nitong Hot Toys. In fair. So, ito na yung pangalawang Hot Toys ko. Yung una is Spider-Man. Primarily because ako ay Spider-Man fan. So, I love Superman, but, growing up, I really like Spider-Man as well. Primarily because, siguro, nakarelate ako sa kanya nung bata ako. He was just a kid. Ay, ang ganda. Merong Paano kaya ito magfo-focus? Kailangan malapit sa mukha ko. Sa mukha ko lang siya nakafocus Okay, so, paano ba nila ginagawa yun? Ayun, ganyan. Ayan, Man of Steel. Yes! Yung Man of Steel na yan, na movie, kailan nga ba pinalabas yan? Dali search natin. Superman, Man of Steel, na movie, was shown in 2013. Ayun. So, ito yan. Come on, Sony. Work with me. Ayan. Man of Steel, 2013. With the imminent destruction of Krypton, their home planet, Jor-El, yung tatay niya, na casted na si Russell Crowe, and his wife seek to preserve their race by sending their infant son to Earth. The child's spacecraft lands at the farm of Jonathan na si Kevin Costner, played by Kevin Costner, and Martha, si Diane Lane, Martha Kent, na si Diane Lane ang nag-portray, who named him Clark and raised, hence Clark Kent, and raised him as their own son. Though his extraordinary abilities have led to the adult Clark, si Henry Cavill, living on the fringe of society, he finds he must become a hero to save those he loves from a dire threat. Alright, yes, 2013, itong Man of Steel na ito, I remember watching it with my wife and daughter, teka, sandali, paano ba ito? Okay, uy, ano to? Umiilaw, yung kanyang belt. Alright, cool. Okay, thank you. Saan ba yung lalagyan nito? Okay, so while we're doing this, mag-commercial muna ako. Please follow me on Instagram, GetBoxPH, as well as sa Facebook. I think meron yata ako doon. Okay, so not really paying attention much. But, okay, so ito yan. So, we're gonna, ayan, tuloy natin to. Grabe short attention span. Okay. So, flexible ito, yung ganitong, itong stand na ito. Itong, whatever you call this. And then, ito, ang ganda, Ito. Ayan, dito may gigrip yung kanyang katawan. And then, dito mo shoot yung, ayun, ipang-ikot. Ayun, Tapos, may takip. Baliktad. Try natin ganyan. Ayun. Yes. Okay. Tapos, may screw. Ganda Ganda yung, ganda yung construction. Okay, ito lang yung hindi ako sure kung para saan itong key nga na ito. At meron pa siyang itong small piece over here. Now, I am excited to take out. Nahulog naman na lahat ng kamay. Okay. Okay, anyway. So, I'm excited to take him out. Tapos, look, meron pa siyang palagay ko napapawisan yung kilikili niya dito. Baka mainit sa box. Kasi, okay. Okay. Dahil meron siyang sipit sa kanyang kilikili. Underarm protection. Okay. Wow. Oh my gulay. Yes. Ayun. Napunit naman. Be careful naman. Okay. Ayun. Para hindi dumikit. Medyo dumidikit So, let's take out yung dito sa kamay. Ang ganda ng cape. Oh my! Paano kaya natin ito hindi maalikabukan? Oh, wow! Look at that! Ay, kita nyo ba? Ayan. Ang ganda! I love the cape! So, of course, you can... Ayun na. Yun lang. Natanggal na yung kamay niya. You can articulate this to your, preference. So, I love this. Sige, gamitin natin itong right hand niya na ito na naka-clench ang fist. Ayun. Shoot natin. Ayun. Okay, ang ganda nung tela nung costume niya. Yes, ang ganda. Really happy with this. Maraming salamat sa aking misis at anak for getting me this. Okay, 3 yung nilagay ko pero well, I like them. Lahat sila, I like them. Kanya lang, syempre, hinay-hinay lang ang gastos. So, ito yung kanilang napili, which is, in my mind, my top 1 choice. Yes. Okay, ayun. Okay, ilalabas na natin yung kanyang paa. Okay. Ayun. Okay, nakawala na ang kanyang mga paa. So, yung paa, pwede mong i-bend, yung leg, pwede. And then, of course, yung arms, yung hand. And I so love the cape. Yung kanyang ulo, he can look down. Yes, Superman! Woo! Okay. We need one of these. Ika baka pwedeng ito na lang. O pwedeng wag na lang. Ito na lang. Ay, hindi. Pwede nga ito. Para hindi na natin buksan yung extra joint. Okay, buksan na lang kaya natin. Parang hirap tanggalin. Okay. So, anyway, first time nating mag-YouTube or Reels or Shorts o kung ano man ang output nito. Itong ginagawa natin ngayon. Sige, wag na. Tanggalin na lang natin tong isa. Dahil ang tigas. So, dahil matigas, we need to decide ano nga ba yung dito. Which one will we use? Saan yung isang Ito, left hand niya. Ayun. Ganun. Ayun ganun Shoot mo lang. And then, shoot mo lang ulit. Ayun, ang galing. Parang gusto ko tong isang kamay Parang mukha siyang, hindi naman siya mukhang galit Try natin yung bukas yung isang palad niya. Ito. Come on, Sony! Ayun. Try natin to. Okay, itong Sony ko na to, yung Sony dapat yung pinakamabilis mag-focus Hindi ko alam bakit medyo matagal. Okay. Siguro kasi first time mo, Brad. Oo nga. Sige, try natin. Okay. Nasaan yung kamay? Baka dapat itong left side. Try natin to. Okay, try natin yon. Then, try natin tong isa na medyo naka-clench ng konti. Come on, Sony! Come on! Come on! First time ko to. Gawin mong okay. Hey! Ayaw. Okay, mamaya. Balak. Okay, try natin to. Okay. Teka. Ayun. Okay, so ganun gagawin natin. Parang ang corny. Parang hindi ko type. Ito na lang isa. Yan. Nakaganon ulit. Yung medyo semi-clenched. Tapos, ito rin. Semi-clenched. Ayun. Shoot. Pam. Okay. Itong isa. Ayun. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng cape. Grabe. Tingnan ng likod. Okay. Wait, umiilaw ba to? Saan yung instruction? Parang may pinipindot dito sa thigh part kanina. Okay, baka wala. So, this is it. This is like yung hand na napili ko na gamitin. So, ito lang yung konting problema ko. Syempre, yung nalulukot yung dito sa side. But I super love this. Teka, let me try this. So, ang kailangan kong gawin dito, hanapan to ng case kasi for alikabok. Wow, ang ganda. Naka-bend yung isa. Wow. Super. Yes. So, this is it. I hope you're seeing this correctly or clearly, I mean. So, Henry Cavill, Superman, Man of Steel, Ano Toys. Galing sa Ano Toys ito. Kuha kayo sa kanila. Very legit. Pinadeliver lang dito sa bahay. Of course, syempre legit. But I mean is, order online and then the next day, nandito na actually ang bilis ng pangyayari dito. So, they were trying to hide this from me, yung aking wife and daughter ko. Kung paliparin ko kaya, pag ganun. Naka-side, naka-bend ng ganyan. Pwede rin, Pwede, Paano ba siya lumipad? Pag ganun, So, ito yung nakataas natin. I-bend natin yan. Ayan, Ganyan, Or pasuntok. Sige, palitan natin to. Pasuntok natin tong isa. Where's the other hand? Here. This one. Let's try this. Sige. No, it's inverted. Wait. This is the left hand. That's the right hand. Ito left. Okay, try natin to. Okay. Yes. Guys, ang ganda. Super. If you're into Superman or any whatever, Marvel or, get yours now. Dito sa Ano Toys. Okay? Ang ganda. Wow, Lord, thank you. Thank you po, Lord. Ang ganda. I love this. Wow. Gusto ko ba siya nakaganito? Teka, or nakatayo muna. Wow. Hindi, wag na siya nakatagilid. Wow! Yes, super. Superman. Okay. I love it. Teka, ayaw na naman mag-zoom. Come on, Sony boy. Teka, kailangan ko yata magtago Yes. Yes, ang ganda. Superman. A great addition to your collection. Di ko alam kung para saan tong Kryptonian key. Don't know exactly what this is for. I'm not sure if I want to display it kasi baka mawala. But anyway. Siguro I'll keep it lang muna here. Siguro that's what I'm gonna do. Keep it here. So keep the hands also. Teka, nasan yung isang kamay? What in the world? There. Okay, I'll keep the key first. Yan ang gagawin natin. And then I'll keep the box, syempre. Yan ang mga mahalaga. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga. I love it. Okay. The kid in me. Ayun. And then ganito. Ayun. Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Dito pala. Okay. Ayun. Ayun. Teka, nasan yung isang plastic? May nahulog. Okay. Yan. Okay. Put it inside the books. Thank you po, Lord. Yes. Okay. Glory to Jesus. Alright. There you go. Okay. Superman. Collector's Edition. MMS 200. From Hot Toys. Care of Ana Toys. Uy! Meron pala nito sa side. Ang ganda. There's like, di ko alam kung ano ito eh. Sticker sort of thingy. S dito sa side ng box. Love it. Okay. So now, before lang we go, I just wanted to share with you, sa inyo, yung aking live verse, Proverbs 3, verse 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your paths straight. Alright? So, I just wanted to leave that word with you kasi yung word of God ay buhay. So, I pray na maging buhay din yan sa inyo. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat for joining us dito sa channel na to. Please like, subscribe, and, hit the notification bell, sabi nila. Okay? Pakishare mo na rin. So, God bless. See you on my next vlog.